Hi, and welcome to another episode of Glenn's Tech Corner. In this video, I'll show you how you can make a custom GPT in ChatGPT. Custom GPTs are super powerful and can make you and your work in ChatGPT much more efficient. And as you can see, I have my own small selection of GPTs that helps me running Glenn's Tech Corner. Let me show you how easy it is to work with. First, you go into GPTs. Then in the top right corner, you have a button saying Create. And now this shows there is no difficult technical thing to do. It is simply just telling ChatGPT how you want this small unit to always operate. So this is kind of making sure that every time you do a similar task, you can have a lot of predefined instructions that you don't need to tell it all the time. Imagine that I want to make a super intuitive proofreading GPT. We can do that very easily. So I would tell it here, I want you to proofread everything put into this chat. Your role is a language expert specialized in English language from UK. Let's just start with doing that and see how it works. So right now it works, and then in the right window I can test it. Let's just see if the prompt I gave it had any spelling mistakes. And now it says here we have a polished version of your request in British English. But maybe I actually wanted to do a little bit different, so let's adjust it a bit. I want you to put all mistakes in a table with the following columns: wrong version, right version, and description of what is wrong. And then we update it. Because maybe I also wanted to learn something from my mistakes, not to just get a polished version, but also see which mistakes did I make. Let's try to type in and now we get exactly what I want. We get the wrong version, we get the right version, and then it tells me that proofread should be in one word. So this is a very great way to make something. If you find yourself reusing the same kind of prompts many times per week or per month, you can make it into a custom GPT. Now it's asking me for a few personalizations. It says, should we call it English proofreader? Say that sounds fine. Then it updates the name. And now it will also ask me if we should have a cool small graphic logo. I could make my own, which I did for my Glenn's Tech Corner GPTs, but this will also use their image generator to make a small icon that should fit. And let's just say looks great. And this is everything I need to do. Now, once this is updated, I just click create, and then I have this new small feature in my left panel where I can always, with a single click, a single paste and send, get a great proofreading. Now it will ask me, should this be something available only to me? Should anyone with the link be able to use it so I can share it with people I know? Or should it even be in the explore section where people can browse and search for other ones? For now, I'll just say this is only for me. And save it. And this is everything. No coding needed, no technical knowledge needed. The most important thing is that you can kind of foresee which mistakes the GPT would make. Where would it misunderstand you? What information would it need to deliver the best results? And then feed it with it. If I click now, view GPT, we can see that I have exactly what I asked for and it is ready to use. So I hope this small guide can help you making your own custom GPTs and be even more efficient when working in ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching.